How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're just going to be going over the Honda and Acura fuel pump stop sell recall. So essentially what happens is the fuel pump motors could potentially stop, causing the vehicle to stall and not restart. Obviously, that is a safety concern, hence the recall that Honda and Acura has put into place. So as of today, not all the pumps are available to order, although some are being ordered and some are trickling in slowly. So if you do have one of the vehicles that I will list in a couple of seconds here affected by this recall, you could contact your local Honda dealer, although there is a 2.6 million cars affected by this recall. So most dealerships will be highly overwhelmed. So just keep that in mind. I know it's a safety concern. I myself have one of these vehicles affected, so I understand your concern. You have your family in these vehicles or yourself, whatever the case may be. So obviously it's a concern, but understand that it is a massive amount of cars affected and most dealerships will be overwhelmed fairly easily. So with that being said, as you get this notification in the mail, or you go into your dealer and you get notified that you do have this recall, or you could also call them and just see simply if your vehicle is affected and if it's on a list, if parts are available, whatever the case may be. So once again, the parts will start rolling out slowly and hopefully rather sooner rather than later. But again, Honda on themselves is probably overwhelmed as well due to the fact that there's so many vehicles affected. So the vehicles affected on the Honda side are 18 to 20 HRV, 18 to 20 Civics, 18 to 19 Fit, 18 to 20 Accord, 18 to 20 Odyssey, 18 to 20 Ridgeline, 19 to 20 Insight, 19 to 20 Passport, 18 to 20 CRV, and 17 to 20 Pilot. There's also a new bulletin or something along the line of a new service news with a 17 Accord hybrids and 18 to 19 Clarity plugins. So I think those are going to be getting added on to the bulletins as well eventually. As far as the Acura side, 18 to 20 ILX, 18 to 20 MDX and MDX hybrid, 17 to 20 NSX, and 18 to 20 RDX, and last but not least, 18 to 20 TLX. So as you can see, it is basically the whole lineup, basically from 17 to 20 model years, depending on the year and on the model of the vehicle. So again, if you have one of these vehicles that I listed, you could call your local dealership if you want, or just wait until you're contacted or notified. So obviously we don't want to overwhelm anyone, although that's probably going to happen regardless. And hopefully this gets sorted out in a rather quick fashion. But again, even if parts do become massively available, there's just going to be a ton flowing through these dealerships, and it's just going to be a lot happening. So technicians are going to be overwhelmed, dealerships will be overwhelmed, but eventually we will get to all of them. So with that being said, hopefully this video helped you if you're one of these owners of these vehicles. Hopefully it puts you a little bit at ease knowing that the process is happening and we will start replacing these pumps little by little. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.